Hi, I will present the telefonelivre.net.br project. Talking about multimedia communication on the internet today, there are several companies and networks that centralize our profile information and do not communicate with each other. There is an open standard protocol, SIP, Session Initiation Protocol. It's used by most of the VoIP companies on the internet. This protocol could be used to support a network of autonomous nodes that talk with each other. People could be opening multimedia session as easy as they send email today. They aren't doing that because we are on the hands of closed commercial companies that don't integrate with each other. They handle their user base as closed containers. Okay. One of the most flexible systems for SIP handling and routing is an open source software called opensips.org. OpenSips is sometimes not easy. It's quite difficult to deploy because of the necessity of previous knowledge on SIP protocol and syntax of the script and modules of the software. The idea of this project is to fund a group formed by web developer, Linux specialist, VoIP specialist, and we will create basically two things. First one is a web portal where we will host the project's portal for people to use a FLOSS multimedia VoIP and multimedia communication service on the internet. In this portal, people will be able to create their own free SIP account using telefonelivre.net.br domain, or to include their own domain, to register their own domain, to use a SIP account with their own domain, using our hosted services. Then people will be able to communicate, to open multimedia sessions and communicate on the internet as easy as sending email. The second, the most important thing we will create is a live CD or a software package containing all telefonelivre.net.br technology developed on the project. This live CD will empower people to create their own autonomous node of telefonelivre.net.br and to add this node to the network and use this software the way they want. The idea is to build multimedia SIP nodes on the internet will be as easy as creating an email server is today. This will happen on the first 6 months of the project. After that, we will create a course program, a training program to attend on public internet places in Brazil. We will promote the network on those places and help people to deploy their own node of telefonelivre.net.br. Although there is many softwares and hardwares that support SIP protocol, we will enforce the use of open source SIP clients like Ekiga, Twinkle and SIPdroid. Our first tests will be made on them. Talking about me, I work with VoIP and SIP since 2004. And a couple of months ago, since I started talking to people and friends about the project, I found lots of enthusiastic people that liked the idea of this to happen. I think we can build a nice case and help to change the history of SIP communication on the internet. Make a history of a more free and open usage of this protocol, of the potential of this protocol. That's it.